Man, she was stinking the place up. This is right after I just got off the messenger with you and walked out here, and there was a bunch of deer. Oh, there's one right there. There was a bunch of them, though, and as I was walking up, they all ran off. There's one still right there. Oh, there they are. I saw them run when we were... Oh, my goodness, there's a whole herd. 3, 4, 5. There's 5 right there. There's 8 right there. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. I count 8, possibly 9. There was a little one there. Well, we're probably going to wait to take the full walk. So let the midget go out here. That's cool.